In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer testimonials on Shopify. Customer testimonials help build trust with visitors and can improve your store's credibility and sales. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Elfsight website. Log in to your Elfsight account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once you're inside, use the search bar and type testimonial slider. Click on the testimonial slider widget from the results. Now choose a template that matches your store style and click continue with this template. Next, customize the testimonials by editing the customer names, reviews, images, and design settings. You can also change colors, fonts, and layouts to match your Shopify store branding. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Choose the free plan if needed and then copy the embed code provided by Elfsight. Now head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click Online Store and then Pages. Open the page where you want the testimonials to appear. Inside the page editor, click the HTML or Show HTML button. Paste the testimonial widget code into the editor. After pasting the code, click Save. Now preview your page and you'll see your customer testimonials displayed on your Shopify store. That's it. You've successfully added customer testimonials to Shopify. Thanks for watching and happy selling.